In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters in Adobe Express, giving your designs an extra creative touch. Adding a filter can completely transform the mood and style of your images, providing them with a unique look and feel. Let's walk through the steps now so you can achieve the best results possible. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Head over to the Adobe Express platform and find your design. This should be the one where you want to apply a filter to an image, so once you're there, select or insert the image you have in mind. Selecting the right image is a vital part of the process, because the effects of a filter can vary greatly depending on the image's original colors and lighting. Once your desired image is placed on the canvas, click on it directly. You'll notice that clicking on the image triggers the appearance of the image properties or toolbar, typically on the left side of your screen. This toolbar is your gateway to a myriad of options to customize the image further. Next, navigate to the Effects section. While in the Image panel, keep an eye out for the word Effects. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Clicking on Effects will allow you to explore the amazing array of filters Adobe Express offers, opening doors to new creative possibilities. You'll then want to click on View All. This option, found within the Effects tab, is key to unleashing the full potential of Adobe Express's filter library. Viewing the full list gives you a comprehensive look at all the available options, from natural warmth and cool tones to more artistic effects that can make your image pop. Take your time browsing to find the filter that speaks to you, as your choice can dramatically change the artwork's vibe. Once you've settled on a filter that resonates with your vision, the next step is customization. Filters can sometimes be overpowering or too subtle. To adjust this, click on the Settings or gear icon next to the filter name to open its options. Here, you'll find the Intensity slider, an essential tool that lets you fine-tune how strong or soft the filter effect appears on your image. Adjusting this can make a world of difference, so don't hesitate to play around until you strike the perfect balance. Finally, when you've achieved the desired look, go ahead and close the Effects panel. By doing this, the filter is applied, and your image now reflects the changes. Congratulations, you've successfully added a filter to your image in Adobe Express. Exploring these options not only enhances your design, but also boosts your creative skills, allowing you to express yourself more fully through your work. Enjoy experimenting with different combinations and seeing what you can discover and create.